Hi guys, we have AirPods 408. Actually, I'm just getting a problem. Problem is that if I connect Bluetooth, so only one side work. Okay, and this is Bluetooth. Okay, if I connect this, so second one not connect. So I'm just getting this problem. At same time not connect both of pair. Okay, so what we have to do, so I'm just here to tell you. Okay, so please just look this video at the end. Okay, so please just open your setting and go to setting and open Bluetooth, and you would see airports 408. If your name is other, so please just search by refreshing, and you would see your Bluetooth name, and just press I button beside airports 408. So please just click it, and you would see phone calls, media, audio, and the last one is connect sharing. So please just on connect sharing, on it. Okay, on it, and you would see that both of side connect each other. Okay, and you can just easily connect it. Okay, so, and thank you very much for watching this video.